Hey, I'm gonna teach you how to stop your yo-yo from tilting. There's actually a few ways your yo-yo could tilt. So when you throw it down like this, if your palm isn't straight and you're kind of throwing it at an angle, you're actually going to get kind of a crooked throw like this. So if you're talking about that power throw, just make sure you are throwing your yo-yo straight down and you follow through with it, so then it looks like this. But on the other hand, if it's tilting on a trapeze, that could be your throw or how the yo-yo is contacting the string. So again, if you're throwing a trapeze, make sure your hand is nice and straight so the yo-yo lands nice and straight as well. And here's what's happening if it's landing crooked and your yo-yo starts to tilt here. So check this out. Every time the string hits the side of a yo-yo, the yo-yo is going to slightly tilt. Now, a lot of yo-yos will have nice rim weight and try to balance that out, but the longer that it's there, the more it's gonna tilt. So you can see that as you add more reps to the string, or you're spinning longer and the yo-yo starting to die, then yeah, it's possible that your yo-yo is going to tilt. So note that when I go this way, the yo-yo is going to tilt this way. So then all I need to do to correct that is move the string back this way. Let's see an example. So I'm gonna throw my breakaway. Okay, and now I have my yo-yo to the right. See how it's tilting? We're just gonna move the string back this way and correct it. Now, the spin is going to die as we're doing this, so do it kind of quickly. So again, I'm tilting this way. I'm gonna move the string back this way towards me. It's kind of hard to do on camera. And then you can see the yo-yo straightening out again. So as you start to build up more reps in the string too, it's more likely that your yo-yo is gonna contact the string and start to tilt here too. Then finally, if it's not your rim weight, if it's not the angle of your hand, if it's not the strings touching the sides, it might just be the strength of your throw. If your throw is not very strong yet, the yo-yo is going to die quicker because it's not spinning as long. So just make sure that you do a nice powerful throw. You can see now my yo-yo is starting to die already because I didn't do a strong breakaway throw. And I hope that helps.